big boys. Holla.
Cheers.
Hey. Una welcome. Hey, now you know easy to rap.
My brother.
Hey. Chile can tell me below.
Yeah,
Hey, Indiana, what up? Hey,
say, I was
it that go on this AC?
No, am I on the AC now?
Yes, you are.
Yes, they work.
Hey,
Two of them on. Two of them wait a minute. No, you don't say when they co rap like this. They rap inside freezing studio.
Hey,
so I'm taking it because I do a research and a rehearsal. So you know.
Bantro, no more bantro.
Yes.
Anyway, now good evening and welcome on to the night show for today. Me and Katim and IzyBeatz. Whoa. Anna, that is how we roll.
That's how we roll.
Enable. Seba. Hala. Before we enter the night show today,
my brother.
Do you pay your tithe?
I may say pay Do you
pay your tithe?
I may say pay
Do you pay your tithe?
I may say pay
In the book of Malachi. Chapter 1.
Chapter 1.
Verse 1.
Verse 1.
Pay your tithe.
Pay your tithe.
Matthias will become your name. will become your name. One church put the banding on top 192 years old woman. Say she not come church again because she not going to pay tithe.
Bam. Why they go say make this woman no come church again? Do they know how much the woman they make every month?
See the woman, 92 years old woman.
Yeah.
Then ban the woman from church. Yeah. Because I've said the woman not pay tithe. If she not get money,
no, they do this kind of one get money. You know, say I read lipstick.
And she the chair where she's sitting on top.
Yeah, really posh.
Her glass, and her posh chair.
Her glass, they use charm bracelet.
Her glass can't get rope. And anybody wearing glass get rope. For your school that time, that then they get money.
Yes, sir.
If you get glass, they different. If your rope can't get rope,
yes,
you get money. See how you can't get gold rope, not be normal rope.
See how she be.
You can't get bling
now
rope.
very stingy woman.
See the background. See the background. See the
yes.
background.
See the background. You know? Now island.
See the chair. See
the compound. See the burglary proof.
Down a compound.
Now compound though.
See how she be. She don't even resemble.
Madam, you need to pay your tithe.
In fact, go and pay your tithe. So you can make heaven.
Madam, you make so that you make heaven.
Yes.
Go and pay your tithe.
Who pay tithe for this?
Pay your tithe. Now this one, no matter what, I don't understand. Sanusi from what they there?
And other, venues.
Other venues
other
there.
branches.
In First Town. In the Woosa too. Zone 4. Now beside they go there. People they tell me. I got information.
And we just know.
Katim, now they go there.
No.
Because people can just call us for phone.
Say, where you there?
Yeah.
If they happen for, they don't open new brands for.
We see somebody will be like IzyBeatz. You say no, it doesn't roll like that. It rolls like egg roll. It don't go there. Now, why would they talk this one? Would they talk about those guys where they sell them body for money? We not know who them be. We're not going to call their name pro something. I don't know. Now, one lawyer. In grandmama of 19 years old girl.
And a lawyer.
Now lawyer. He go school. Now, one girl in grandmama carry her, say make them go look for lawyer. We go chook mouth on top her matter. IzyBeatz here. Now be in as the college there, the grandma can't carry the girl, can't drop her with one lawyer. Say, please, look after this girl for me. And they come.
How old be the girl again?
9 years old girl. When the girl come, when the grandma come back, the girl begin to cry. They touch her website.
They say,
what happened?
He said, it's peppering me. It's
peppering me. What happened? He said, they point the lawyer. Say the lawyer. They rob.
He put hand inside.
Then the lawyer put hand inside her website.
Say so. He dey pepper am.
9 years old girl, Oga.
Lawyer.
Now so spiritual conjure how you reach.
I don't know.
So I don't know from why is there.
This kind of person, what thing they go do with him?
Not
I has an idea, but me it on the screen. But I has one strong idea.
Talk now.
No, then go,
Okay, they go look for soldier ants.
Then go
like 50 or 152.
Time for church
time for pour the soldier ant inside the pants.
Then come tie him with rope.
Come tie him with rope. keep in hand where you not go for touch am.
Yes.
Then when
Make the minister unto him.
when the minister to am in a glorious manner.
Yes.
After the ant
From there, he will see heaven.
no, some ant, the one we go sing for settle, then go sing for settle there.
Yes.
The one we go sing bass, called bass,
And treble and soprano.
treble and soprano, then go sing up for inside the machine gun.
So it will not be a musical yawning.
What? Oh, name 5. It will be a musical journey
My
in his
brother.
machine gun.
Woo, woo.
When they finish, Oga,
And he will be dancing to the tune, but he cannot use his
if
hand.
you see
know.
even perfume bottle where the woman, he go round.
You can say, no, no,
You
no,
say
no, no.
No, please, I don't want to.
No, no, oh, no.
Now, for the last story we go talk.
I don't know what's inside that man. You know, finish the one where you get for house, you waka go outside. You know, even go outside in a hotel. That's why hotel business, they make money.
The booming.
You know, fit close down. That's why you go hear me, folic acid hotel. You know, all those
Folic acid! That folic acid girl come here yesterday, come there from. She not fit speak pidgin. Meanwhile, we know. Look out there! It doesn't when we watch the show yesterday. When I see that girl, we be like a broom. Folic acid. My mommy used to call me folic acid.
for this Lagos.
For this Lagos.
How
Who
about
can ask him? Remember when I asked her, say, what does your boyfriend do? My boyfriend, he's civil engineering.
Yes. He's an engineering.
He's a computer engineering.
Now me and Nedu culture.
Wait, when we finish show, you know that guy will bring cake, come give him. For outside, if you say the can't take in Yoruba, when they speak, all those kind of Yoruba because then they speak. Meanwhile, they say, no, my mom used to call me Folic acid. In our Wabia
Get out
of here. In Igbo, say Bapua. Now, married doctor, then kill her for hotel.
Who said I'm go there?
Who send him?
Waiting been business for hotel.
You go they fight for girlfriend.
Another girlfriend. Meanwhile, wife day house.
Meanwhile, wife day house. You go they fight for his girlfriend. Now so they kill him for hotel.
That one, you go hellfire straight.
Now 2 wives the man get.
Imagine.
2, not 2.
Not one, but what? 2.
Full wife.
2 wives, not one.
And you can decide, okay, you want to take another
wife.
Programming.
Yes. Maybe the software where those 2 wives they use. Now outdated software.
So you can one program, another software, we go upgrade.
We go upgrade. Tiam. See the man here. Eh? He send the phone fine boy.
You know, see him now, he put hand for pocket.
He don't die so now.
No, he go come meet in creator.
Now, I wonder,
one-on-one
if you reach heaven now, what do you want to tell God?
No, he want your say.
Okay, imagine saying that he be the man. Oga! They go call him 3 times. Oga! Oga! You have come here now. Open your eyes. Lajue! Pra! You are here. What happened to you that brought you here?
Excuse me, sang. Kami kanong ko yung abantum kada kisang. Ngin yung dakisang kada one very fine girl. I'm ngora one space man adogo. Iting border my merula oblongata. Nye kami mboke. Ya kami mpong bono ke baga kufo. Ya kami yung kasi me. A website mo do the same thing as the website baga kufo. So yung the website yung boke. Aso ko ito kem pa yung mari upgrade the website. So ngi gari upgrade the website. Ngkun boke another person ma kada ka upgrade the website. So in the upgrading of the website, anyo ngodo posa.
Angel go conquer. Hello? Hey, Mandeville. Alpha, we got one candidate for you. Oh, you don't. Oh, okay. Go that way. Go that way.
Where that way they go?
He leads to a good place.
Oh.
You will see upgraded website here.
Okay.
The full 2018 model. Turbo engine. Anyway, more bass magic in the for
my
you.
brothers and sisters, our guest today.
Our guest. You know, say we say 1 guest, 2 guests, 3 guests. This one, my brother, we don't know how to call it. We don't come back.
If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.